Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another BlockStudio3 educational course. This course, we're going to go over what is Web3 and what is the meaning and what is the purpose of Web3. So to get started, we are going to first go over why learn Web3. Web3 is the next era of the internet, and it will bring new possibilities to what digital products can be. Before jumping into things like cryptocurrency, NFTs, DeFi, we need to understand the overall space and why it's called Web3 and what are we going to be able to actually accomplish in Web3. So before we even jump into what Web3 is, we got to understand what Web2 and what Web1 was. So if we look over here, Web1, this is the start of the internet. This is the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Ask Jeeves, Bing. This is the information highway. And you are basically able to search keywords and you were able to get results on whether it be from articles, blogs, whatever it is that you searched, you could find an answer. It was basically a digital library of information. Then we evolved into Web 2. Web 2, this is the birth of social media. So things like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. And this is currently the era that we are mostly in right now. And we are probably in the peak of this area. And this era, we were able to create and communicate with digital content. So you could create content, you could post it, you could share it, you could be a part of a community, you could comment. And that was the era of Web 2. So that was Web 1 and 2. We are now headed into Web 3, which is the big part of Web 3 is being able to have digital ownership on a digital product. Now, digital ownership, this is something that is made possible through something called blockchain technology, and that's something that we'll cover in another course. But just know that is what Web3 is. The big idea is digital ownership, and you can basically own things and sell things in a digital universe and not have an actual physical product attached to it. So that really, in conclusion, is what Web3 is. It is the overarching umbrella that covers everything from blockchain to cryptocurrency, NFTs, DeFi, any of this new technology and stuff that you hear. Web3 is just the overarching kind of category that encompasses all of this stuff that we're going to be talking about. So it's a very general idea, and as we dive deeper into each one of these things, you're going to slowly understand what can you do and what are the possibilities that this new era of Web3 is going to bring. So the next thing we're going to cover in the next course is blockchain. So you can head on over to that course and we'll see you there.